In this video, I want to talk about these vinyl record display frames. I'm in my little area down here and I want to display a couple records. So I bought these and I've already put 2 records in, and they're a really simple design, but I just wanted to show you what they were all about, how to put your record in here, and give you a couple tips. So to start, you can take the plastic off here. And one thing I've noticed as you do this, the static kind of builds up, and there are some little bits of black here. So you're probably going to have to just wipe that down around the frame itself. So to open this, you have these little things right here that are on kind of a spring. You just turn them. They come out like that, all the way around. And then you have this right here, which is the kind of connection to the hook that you put on the wall. And it does come with hooks, which is nice. I'll show you how to use those. Pretty simple. We're going to pull this up, and that is just a really thin wood backing, but it's pretty solid. It's nice that these are actually riveted on here, so they shouldn't pop off. Now I can take this, and as a tip, you can see this is not clear, and that's because it comes with a protective coating, which is nice. So I'm going to get this started right here, trying not to touch it with my fingers. Same thing right here. Just get it started, and then grab the album that I want in here, whichever one you want. This is going to be mine, although I wish it was in better shape, but I do love this album, so I want to display it. I'm going to peel off one side of this, again, trying not to touch it with my fingers, and then put that side like this, and then peel off the other side, and then you'll see it's crystal clear, and it got a lot of those little black kind of shavings off of there. Put my album in, and make sure that I put this so that the hook is at the top of the album, which it is. And then real simple, you just take these, push them down, spin them. They're kind of adjustable, and they hook right into place like that. Now, as I'm doing this, I will mention that this is perfect for like a single album, but if you have like a double, a 2 vinyl set, something like this should be fine because it's not too thick. But if you have something like a special double LP, you can see how much thicker this is. And I wouldn't recommend it for something like this. You should be fine with a double like this, but anything special like this, I wouldn't do it, although I was able to with this one, but it was not easy. So install the rest of these. This might have been shipping, but I think I might be able to buff this out. Probably just spray that with some cleaner and get that out of there. It looked to be in pretty good shape. The construction is pretty decent, as long as you don't go jamming a huge album in there. Those corners shouldn't open up. So let's hang it. So right here looks like a good spot. Just gonna get a measurement for where I want to put these. 13 inches. Let's see how that's gonna look. So you kind of match up where it's gonna be. I think that's gonna be perfect. Because then I'm gonna do another one right here. So now we have the hanger or the hook that came with the frame, and it just has basically 4 little nails right here. And all you gotta do is put it where you want it, into your drywall. You might have plywood, whatever you have, and just hammer it in. And that's a nice secure hook. And then you can line it up right here. Make sure it's hooked on. Good. So I'm going to put another one right underneath here. I got a 4-pack of these. You can also get just one of them if you want. But regardless, I hope this video helps.